Amongst all the global issues, civil wars, financial crisis, terrorism, branding threat here's the bad cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We're powerless to heal the world. We cannot stop the religion. Come to think of it, cats have already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology systems and use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these battle cats was interviewed on TV. It went like this. Why is the new weapon a cat? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's so horrible. I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake was, I don't know who I am writing to. Remember my days as a kid. I wanted to be a major leaguer. Now I want to be a millionaire, CEO of a social networking service. I mean, if you have money, you love, right? No. Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you one thing. Battle cats. That's pretty much it. Hello guys, welcome to Battle Cats. I hope you enjoy the series. I will be playing this as a major series, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I feel pretty pumped for this, the Battle Cats. So yeah, let's get right into this game. Oh, listen to music. Here, I'm gonna turn it down. Oh, it's telling us to attack for real. The battle begins. What the heck? Attack the enemy base. Why would I want to do that? Oh, okay. I think I'm just gonna do mission 1 because that intro is pretty freaking long. Holy man, look at these battle cats. Crazy. Yeah, probably only gonna do 1 level. Man, look at this. This is crazy. This looks like it's pretty epic. Oh my god, their castle's like right there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die. Boy, this game actually pretty sweet. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this game. This game's crazy. Oh yeah, guys, this game's free to play, except for in-app purchases. I think you guys know that. But you can play this game for free. Just search up the Battle Cats and you can download this game. It looks pretty sweet. And you can mutate cats. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Well, guys, I think that's today's video. Just about to sum it up. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Download them. See, look at that. Thank you. yeah, guys, I will see you in